just tell Jesus all of my trials. I cannot bear these burdens alone. In my distress, He.
Hi guys, you're tuning in to Christ Therapy. Me and Charlene and the family are here. We're just in the allotment. We're looking to grow some. What are we doing? What's over here?
This is the these are the chives that was here last year, and there's actually an object lesson with these chives because we picked it like this, the stalks, and I thought personally they weren't going to grow because they weren't going nowhere. They were tiny, like just one little thing, one little of these strands. And I says to Jonathan to just dig it up and put something else there. He says no, leave it. And now look, this is what we have now. All these big ones here, all these chives are growing, and for us that's the object lesson, to be patient and to endure. Be patient and endure and then reap the harvest of your patience, really.
Yeah. And guys, this is it agriculture?
Yeah, agriculture.
Agriculture is really good for your mental health. So if you're experiencing any anxiety, any depression, it's amazing to just be out, get your hands dirty, like in the soil. Don't get me wrong, I'm absolutely scared of ants and moles and worms, but it's just amazing. Husband and wife. This is what husband and wife should be doing, guys. Yeah, this. Yeah.
Hello.
How are you feeling in the allotment today?
Right about now, I'm feeling great. There is a video to come, but lately I've been actually feeling positive and good within myself. Because I've been suffering with anxiety, but that will come in a different video properly with myself and Natalia with Christ Therapy. But here at the allotment with my friends and my family, we're here trying to bring this allotment to life, and it actually feels good because we're out here doing exercise. We're not isolated in the homes and not doing anything. We're trying to be outside in nature, to breathe in the fresh air that's around us, and also to get our hearts going, get our hearts moving, get our arms moving, our legs moving, and also for the kids to be out with nature. What God.
Today we're in the allotment with our friends and we've come to help. At the moment the allotment is absolute chaos, okay, just like this world right now. I just wanted to relate nature to what's happening to everyone right now, well, to me right now in my life. And as I look around, it's just pure mess. Everything is a mess. By God's grace, if we work at one thing at a time, one day at a time with Jesus, yeah, we can get through. We can do it. We can get everything back in order, right? Just for an example, these little plants down here, can you see how they're protected? They're protected in here to grow, okay? Just like our mind, my mind, yeah? Before all of this stuff that's been happening, the Lord's taken me through depression, anxiety, to prepare me for what is to come now. So right now, with my mind, it's like because I've learned how to protect it, I've got self-care at a place. I know what I need to do. I know that I need to deep breathe. I know that I need to claim His promises. I know that I need to be around positive people. I know that I need to eat right. I need to pray. All these things all help to protect my mind, just like to protect these little vegetables. If we do not protect ourselves, we're out and we will basically just be like a little dead plant just blowing in the wind. Do you know what I mean? Just gone with the wind. No guys, it's not about being gone with the wind. It's about being rooted and
Yes, just out in the allotment. Nice sunny Sunday. Just to show you guys what we do. Allotment work, just preparing the soil. And with the soil is an example of the mind. How we need to prepare our hearts to receive the gospel of truth. So you see the soil, we have to weed the soil, we have to dig it up, go deep into the roots, so that way we can put the nice seeds of the potatoes so they may grow. But just how God wants to put His seeds, the word, into your heart, so we need to prepare our hearts to receive the word. Especially this time of crisis, even with health. Like we got all the herbs, the dandelions right here. You see all this is dandelion. This is dandelion or put on the flowers. Dandelion right here. See, this is dandelion. This is a powerful little function. So these herbs are there to give us a spiritual lesson that God wants to renew our health, but also wants to renew our spiritual life. A lot of times the reason we in this issue with the virus and other issues around the world because of sin. So we need to turn away from the sin, the weeds in our hearts. So we suffer with anxiety, depression, we suffer with unforgiveness. We need to weed those things out so the precious seed can be planted. Alright, hope you have a good evening. And
This is our time to come together as people and work the land and do what God has told us to do. Grow your own fruits, grow your own vegetables, guys. Learn of the Lord, learn of the Lord. Yeah, I want me and for you. But guys, I'm not going to bore you, I'm not going to keep talking, but I will be back with the way, the truth and the life. Bye for now, guys.
I must tell Jesus I cannot bear my burdens alone.